독성 물질에 노출되어 전 세계 인류 99.99%가 사망한 먼 미래.
We do not know why we are here. We do not know why everything outside the silo is as it is. We do not know when it will be safe to go outside.
마지막 남은 1만여 명의 인류가 거주하는 지구 유일 거대한 은신처 사일로. 140층으로 이루어진 이 사일로는 신분에 따라 층수가 나누어지는 그런 곳이었죠. 그런데 스스로 유치장으로 들어가는 최고 상층의 보안관 베커.
What are you doing?
그리고 최고의 범죄로 치부되는 금기어를 내뱉어버리고 말죠.
I want to go out.
그는 스스로 사일로에서 추방당하기를 원하고 있었습니다.
I want to see her.
사법부에 의해 도청되기에 한 번 내뱉은 말은 취소할 수조차 없었죠. 3년 전
Come on, it's almost 8.
Okay.
아기를 갖기 위해 사법부로부터 생식 허가를 받은 베커와 앨리슨.
Third time's a charm.
You're just excited to have sex every day.
이곳의 여자들에겐 평생 임신할 수 있는 기회가 3번 정도 주어지게 되는데요. 아무래도 제한된 사일로의 공간으로 인한 사법부의 인구 조절 방책인 듯 보였죠. 한번 허가를 받을 때마다 임신할 수 있는 기회는 단 1년.
Now, after I remove the birth control, it'll take 2 to 3 weeks for your hormones to reset. Is this your second time?
Third.
And last. I'm almost 38.
But not for long as I am done. You're no longer under birth control. You are now free to make a baby.
하지만 햇빛조차 쐬지 못하고 사는 이곳의 환경 때문인지 아이를 가지는 여인들은 극히 드문 상황이었습니다.
Good luck. Oh, thanks.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thanks. I really hate this part.
People are just happy for us.
Oh, I just wish everyone didn't know.
Oh, shit.
Sheriff, Mrs. Becker.
그녀의 소식을 접한 글로리아는 엘리를 찾게 되는데요.
Mrs. Becker, your husband might not be interested in what I have to
No,
say.
what I'd really be interested in is you leaving us alone, Gloria.
사실 그녀는 사람들에게 이상한 소리나 하고 다니는 정신 나간 괴짜 취급을 받는 여인이었죠.
Mrs. Becker, if you've an open mind, come see me. What'd she do exactly?
She goes right to the edge of promising people a baby if they do what she says, which is fraud.
Hello, Bernard. Morning, Bernard.
엘리는 상층 IT부 최고의 프로그래머였는데요.
I see you posted an article on our BBS about recovering deleted files.
I did.
You do know you need to get my approval for any IT-related content before it goes wide.
얼마 전 시민들을 위해 프로그램 복구하는 방법을 인터넷에 올렸다가 돼지게 깨지고 있는 중이었죠.
I have no doubt your intentions were good, but our reporting structure is there for a reason.
Got it.
너무나도 많은 규칙들로 모든 것을 통제하는 더 팩트 집행부.
Did you know you were breaking the rules?
No, there's too many rules. It's not just IT. It's everywhere.
엘리는 사일로의 모든 규칙들에 불만, 아니 의문이 쌓여가고 있는 중이었죠.
Allison,
You're gonna use your sheriff voice with me?
what if a bunch of rule breakers decide they want to see for themselves what it's like above ground? They somehow manage to open that door? We are done.
What are you so afraid of?
시민들에게 절대적인 지지를 받고 있는 사일로의 시장 찬스.
Ever since you've been wearing the sash, we've been wearing a badge. Freedom Day has gone off without a hitch.
그녀는 140년 전 일어났다는 폭동을 잠재운 날인 자유의 날을 대비하는데 만전을 기하고 있었습니다.
It's getting harder to see with every passing month.
A long time between cleanings means things are going well.
People need to see what it's like out there.
이제 엘리의 임신 허가 기간 5개월 남짓 남은 상황.
I got my period.
그녀는 슬슬 불안해져 가고 있었죠.
Mrs. Becker.
Oh, hi.
I was looking for you. Are you pregnant?
Not yet.
일전에 만난 글로리아의 말에 귀를 기울이기 시작한 엘리.
Why'd you do that?
Because I don't want them to hear.
Judicial?
Have you ever wondered what was on the servers they erased? If it was even the rebels that did it?
그런데 엘리와 똑같은 궁금증을 가지고 있었던 글로리아.
Why do we live underground? What actually happened out there?
I'm going now.
One last thing. Do you really think you're the kind of person they want having children?
게다가 임신을 할 수 없도록 사법부에서 고의적으로 막고 있다는 소리까지 듣게 되는데
From eccentric oddball to completely fucking crazy. I should send the psych team to pay Gloria a visit.
Don't. She and her husband couldn't have a baby. She wants you to find out why.
You had your birth control removed, Allie. We have the same shot at making a baby as anyone who has clearance. Okay?
Okay.
그러던 어느 날
My buddy George submitted another ticket.
엘리는 고장 신고가 들어온 중간층 컴퓨터 수리점으로 방문 점검을 지시받게 됩니다.
Why do you have to go?
Everybody's taking off for Freedom Day because you're working. I figured I would just be on call.
반나절을 꼬박 걸어 수리점의 프로그래머 조지를 찾은 엘리.
Allison Becker?
I am. You must be.
I've been looking forward to meeting you for a long time.
How can I help you?
Yeah, I read your post on how to retrieve deleted files. I had a feeling it wouldn't stay up long, so I printed it.
Is this about a relic?
That's just it. I don't know.
그는 1년 전 우연히 입수한 하드디스크를 복구시키려 하고 있었죠.
I fired it up and it looked like it was empty. Then I tried what you posted and I was able to check the memory. It says most of the drive is in use, but I can't find any files. There's no record of this serial number.
You think this drive is over 140 years old?
하지만 이 물건은 법에 저촉되는 작물이었습니다.
It might be as simple as just figuring out the name on the directory, may I?
Happy Freedom Day. Happy Freedom Day, Mayor.
On this day, 140 years ago, that is the moment we regained our freedom. If they had succeeded, if they had opened the door to the outside world, none of us would be here right now. They didn't succeed. Thank the founders. But they did manage to take away our history.
Do you have a magnifying glass? It's letters, but I think it says library.
They destroyed our computer drives. They shredded our files and burned all the books in our libraries.
보고 키워드는 생각보다 간단한 라이브러리.
Look at this.
드라이브엔 사일로에 관한 방대한 파일들이 들어있었죠. 하지만
I won't. You should bury this.
Bury it? Are you kidding? This is the
This
greatest.
is a relic. It's against the law to even have it.
그동안의 궁금증을 해결해 줄 수도 있는 이 파일들을 보자
They can send you out to clean.
덜컥 겁이 났던 엘리.
You gonna tell your husband?
Just get rid of it.
도망치듯 가게를 빠져나오게 됩니다.
Where the hell does that go?
모른 척하기로 결심하긴 했지만
How did it go with George?
Couldn't help him.
도무지 머릿속을 떠나지 않는 사일로에 대한 궁금증. 일단 그녀는 그동안 이상한 말을 해왔던 글로리아를 찾게 되죠.
Why wouldn't they want us to have children?
다음날 엘리의 발걸음은 자석에 이끌리듯 조지의 수리점을 향하고 있었습니다.
I want to see everything. My brain is fried. Needless to say, we should tell anybody about this.
Needless to say.
그런데
What's this? Last one?
마지막으로 확인한 이 파일은 바로 그들을 충격의 도가니로 몰아넣기에 충분한 것이었죠. 엘리는 꼬리에 꼬리를 물고 이어지는 수많은 의문들로 더욱 혼란스러워져 가고 있었죠.
It's late.
I lost track.
이제 아이를 가질 수 있는 타임은 7시간 남짓 남은 상황이었지만
You never know. We technically still have a few hours.
I'm gonna sleep it a little, so I'll meet you there.
엘리가 알아낸 것이 사실이라면 생식허가 따위는 사법부의 장난질일 수도 있는 것이었습니다. 다음 날 병원에 나타나지 않은 그녀.
Hey,
Where's Allison?
she sent a note by Porter saying she wasn't feeling well.
그 시간 엘리는
We need to talk.
창백해진 얼굴로 집에 앉아 있었죠.
I was gonna talk to you last night, but because you're the lawman, I figured I needed to give you some proof.
Proof of what?
They were never gonna let us have children.
Who's they?
The enforcers of the pact. They want docile, obedient people.
I saw Dr. Leonard take out your birth control.
No, you didn't. He was behind a curtain. You didn't see what he was doing.
Allison,
He didn't take out my birth control.
how do you know that?
Because I just did.
그런데 정말 엘리의 말대로 그녀의 몸속에 그대로 들어있었던 피임기구.
What did you do? Don't move.
일단 그녀를 치료하는 게 우선인 베커는
You gotta come. What? It's Allison.
의사를 찾게 되지만
Oh, good. Sheriff! I can't. Allison's hurt.
Allison's in the cafeteria.
None of this is real. They want to keep you in here, so they're lying to you. It's green out there. There's green trees. There's blue skies.
이미 엘리는 진실을 까발리며 목 놓아 울부짖고 있었죠.
They want us to. No.
I've known several patients who have had breakdowns.
I'm not having a breakdown.
모두들 그녀를 미친 여자 취급하는 분위기였습니다.
I've been thinking about this a lot. Okay.
엘리는 결국 해서는 안 될 중범죄를 저지르고 마는데
I want to go out.
이제 그녀는 사법부의 최고형 추방을 면치 못하게 생긴 상황이었죠.
There has to be something.
There isn't. There were people there. They heard what they heard.
The pact says you can request a hearing if you feel you have been misheard.
Allison does not feel she was misheard.
If you boil the pact down to one rule, it's do not say you want to go outside, or you will fucking go outside.
Did anyone else play a part in this? Steer her in this direction?
중범죄를 저지른 엘리로 인해 그녀와 접촉했던 글로리아와 조지까지 소환이 되고
The judicial team searched his stall, but they didn't find anything.
사법국에 의해 가게까지 탈탈 털리게 되지만 이미 하드디스크를 안전한 곳에 숨긴 상태인 듯 보였죠.
I want to go out.
발언하는 순간 강력한 효력을 발휘하는 그녀의 돌이킬 수 없는 한마디. 엘리는 이제 추방당해 유독 공기에 의해 죽게 될 운명이었습니다.
I'm so sorry. I have to tell you something, but I need you to sit close. I don't want anybody to hear.
하지만 나가기 전 그녀는 자기가 알아낸 엄청난 사실들을 베커에게 쏟아내게 되죠.
I know you're angry. I would be too. But what I found out, what they told us isn't true.
No, what you don't do is say the words that get you sent out there to die.
That's the big thing I found out. I won't die out there.
They have the ability to change what we see on the screens. What are you talking? They take an image and they alter it somehow.
What's that? Right there.
Austin,
The last 3 people who cleaned.
if it's just what the computer wants you to see,
Why would they do that?
to keep us in here. I don't know, but I'm gonna find out.
아직 모든 것을 파악하지 못한 엘리였지만 바깥 세상이 그들의 말과 틀리다는 것만큼은 확신하고 있었죠.
Why do they go through with it? Most people swear they're not gonna do it. That they can show people the truth that that is a lie.
그리고 베커에게 한 가지 비밀 약속을 하게 되는데
When I get out there, if that's what it's really like, I won't clean. But it's green and lush and beautiful, and I'll start to clean. And you'll know. And I'll find out what's going on, and then I'll come back for you.
Alison Becker, you have been charged with and convicted of violating the cardinal law of our society. You have been asked to clean, but you cannot be forced into cleaning.
이렇게 엘리는 남편과의 약속을 뒤로한 채 에어로커를 걸어 나가게 됩니다. 그런데 엘리의 약속대로라면 밖은 분명 안에서 보이는 것과는 다른 세상일 수도 있는 것이었습니다. 하지만 그녀는 외부 독성 물질에 노출된 것 때문인지 몇 걸음 걷지 못하고 쓰러지고 마는데 진정 엘리의 반란은 이렇게 끝나버린 것일까요? 하지만 사일로의 비밀을 알고 있는 또 다른 한 사람, 조지 윌킨스가 이곳에 남아 있었죠. 이렇게 베커가 엘리를 보내고 정신 나간 채로 산 지 2년이라는 시간이 흐르게 됩니다.
Something you should see. George Wilkins. He's the one Allison went to help in the marketplace. We hold him up and...
Yeah, I know who he is.
He's dead. Went over the rails somewhere around level 120.
사일로의 비밀을 알고 있던 유일한 사람인 조지가 사망하는 사건이 일어나게 되죠.
Accident? Suicide?
There's an engineer down there that says it's murder.
모두들 자살로 추정하고 있었지만 오직 한 사람만이 타살이라 주장하고 있었습니다. 그 사람은 바로 사일로의 최하층 발전기를 책임지고 있는 이곳의 최고의 엔지니어 줄리엣 니콜스란 여자였죠.
For 2 years you were dead inside when you met Juliet Nichols.
Finally started listening is all.
부인의 말도 믿지 않았던 베커. 도대체 줄리엣과 어떤 일이 있었던 걸까요?
I'm gonna go find her.
She's right there.
이미 2년이란 시간을 지옥의 세월로 보냈던 베커. 엘리의 시체를 보지 않기 위해 안간힘을 쓰며 버텨내고 있는 살아있어도 살아있는 게 아닌 베커였었죠.
Any spoken request to leave the silo is granted, but it is irrevocable. Once outside the airlock, you are outside the law.
엘리의 말이 사실이던 아니던 이제 이곳에서 그녀의 말을 외면한 채 사는 것은 그에게 더 이상 무의미한 것이었습니다.
We do not know why we are here. We do not know who built the silo. We do not know when it will be safe to go outside. We only know that day is not this day.
여느 때와 같이 반란자의 최후를 지켜보기 위해 식당에 모인 사람들.
I can't believe they're sending a sheriff out to clean.
You know, once he said it, they didn't have any choice.
드디어 밖으로 나온 베커.
Damn it, Allison.
그런데
You were right.
엘리의 말은 전부 사실이었습니다.
They have to see.
사일로의 사람들에게 진실을 보여주기 위해 모두들 그래왔던 것처럼 그 역시 센서 클린을 하게 되죠.
They always clean. Can it last 3 minutes before the poison gets him? That's the bet.
하지만 얼마 후 숨을 쉴 수 없는 패커.
What's he doing?
다급히 헬멧을 벗게 되지만
Has anyone taken their helmet off before?
사법부의 말대로 지구는 이미 독성 물질에 감염됐던 것이었을까요?
Where's he going?
To be with his wife.
그 역시 얼마 안가 아내 곁에서 숨을 거두고 맙니다.
Sheriff's dead. What happens now?
Fucking liar! He's a fucking liar!
도대체 줄리엣과 베커 사이에 어떤 일이 있었던 걸까요? 최상층의 보안관이 추방당해 죽자 시민들은 불안한 심리를 감추지 못했고
This is the last one we got. Thank you.
I need this.
No, you're not getting it. No, I need this. You're not taking it. No, you can't.
무기를 손에 넣기 위해 야단법 섞인 상황이었습니다. 그때 절대적인 권력을 가지고 있는 사법부 사람들이 나타나고
Deputy Brooks.
Mr. Sims, I got this under control.
Get the names.
이미 베커가 후임 보안관을 지명한 상태였지만
To Holston Becker.
You decide who you're going to pick for sheriff?
Holston didn't say anything to you?
만스는 이 얼토당토치도 않은 사람을 잔스에게 전달하지 않고 있었죠.
If Holston had been retiring, I could have just followed his wishes. But now, Judicial will try and slip one of their people into the post.
So far, not a single instance of a mayor sending a sheriff out to clean.
He went out, but you didn't send him.
I worry about instability.
That's why we need a new sheriff as soon as possible.
한편 줄리엣은 어릴 때부터 그녀의 멘토나 다름이 없었던 마샤를 찾게 됩니다. 심경이 복잡할 때마다 줄리엣이 찾는 이곳.
What are you doing? It looks like you showed up in a bad mood. Now you're taking it out on that toaster.
No. Fixing it.
그녀의 표정만 보아도 줄리엣이 어떤 상태인지 알 수 있는 마샤였었죠.
You didn't come here to mend a toaster. You came here to talk. It's about George. It's been 3 months since he died. You still think George was murdered?
Yeah.
줄리엣이 조지의 죽음이 타살이라 주장한 데는 다 그만한 이유가 있었습니다.
He really wanted to show me something.
3개월 전 사실 줄리엣과 조지는 사법부의 허가를 받지 않은 비밀리에 만나고 있는 연인 사이였는데요.
Everyone knows about us. They don't give a shit.
Something happened. Something big. I can't tell you here, but can I speak to you after?
Yeah.
그런데 조지의 행동이 오늘따라 좀 이상해 보였죠.
When I got off work at midnight, I was exhausted. I was looking forward to seeing George.
일을 마친 줄리엣은 집으로 향하게 되는데
George?
하지만 집은 비어 있었고 정체불명의 케이스와 메시지만이 테이블 위에 남겨져 있었죠. 아무래도 이들만의 은밀한 비밀 장소를 말하는 듯 했습니다.
Hey.
Hey.
다음 날
You didn't hear?
I just got up. Hear what?
Computer George went off the stairs last night.
갑작스레 조지가 사망했다는 충격적인 소리를 듣게 된 줄리엣.
They're saying suicide.
하지만 줄리엣은 그의 죽음에 알 수 없는 세력이 개입됐음을 분명히 느낄 수 있었죠.
Murder? By who? Why?
I don't know. I just know he didn't kill himself, Hank.
The thing is, if you were in a sanctioned relationship, this would be easier. A partner has certain rights.
그녀를 잘 알던 보안관 행크는 조지와의 관계를 비밀리에 붙이고
I'll say it came from a coworker who knew him well. See what the sheriff has to say. He's a good man.
상층 보안관에게 그녀의 이야기를 전하게 된 것이었습니다.
That's her! What's her name? Juliet!
I'm thinking George must have fallen maybe 100 feet, give or take.
Suicide is a serious crime.
No, it wasn't suicide.
How'd you know?
George.
Everybody knows everybody down here. It's a nice watch. Is that a relic?
It's legal.
사실 베커는 예전 소환 조사 때 조지가 차고 있던 시계를 기억하고 그들의 관계를 이미 눈치채고 있었죠.
How long were you and George in a relationship?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Look, if we're gonna figure out what happened, you're gonna have to tell me the truth.
He left something from me.
What?
If I need you to promise me you're not going to rat me out to judicial.
줄리엣은 조지의 죽음에 대한 비밀을 파헤치기 위해 사법국에 말하지 않는 조건으로 베커에게 모든 것을 털어놓기로 결심하게 됩니다.
He left this with it.
Where's the rest of it?
All there was of it.
Remember where you last saw this?
조지의 메시지를 따라 줄리엣은 단서를 찾기 위해 베커를 그들만의 비밀 공간으로 데리고 가게 되는데요.
Our agreements still apply?
아마도 이곳은 일전에 조지가 드라이브에서 보았던 비밀 통로로 통하는 곳인 듯 보였죠.
Who did all this?
I think it's from before the rebellion.
What's down there?
You'll see. 100 work lights here at one time. Only these ones are left.
드디어 사일로의 깊숙한 밑바닥, 거대한 굴착기가 방치되어 있는 곳까지 들어오게 된 이들.
Digger comes down this far. There's no easy way to get it out, so the founders just walled it off. Digger must have looked like this for 100 years. Ready?
What is this place?
He put it all together. Last time I saw this thing was down here. Was in this box.
일이 잘못되어 추궁당할 것을 피하기 위해 그들은 관계를 허가받지 않은 상태로 만나고 있었던 것이었죠.
Are these all relics?
Yeah.
그가 수집해 놓은 것은 전부 반란이 일어나기 전 유물들이었습니다.
So George sold and traded relics.
Yeah, he was obsessed with it before time. You know, he'd come down here on his own. He'd be looking for something.
그런데
That's odd. This plastic wire used to be wrapped around the spool. Wait, hold on.
플라스틱 전선을 따라 절대 발견되면 안 될 그 무언가가 단단히 숨겨져 있는 것 같아 보였죠.
What is this?
그들이 찾은 것은 바로 엘리와 조지가 함께 파헤치던 그 하드 드라이브.
Instructions on how to recover deleted files.
There's handwriting on the back. That's not George's handwriting.
It's my wife's.
베커는 엘리가 스스로 추방을 선택한 이유가 분명 이 하드 드라이브에 있을 거라 짐작하게 됩니다.
Do you think your wife knew George?
Ellison did some IT work for him not long before she went out.
Shit, the watch. That's why you knew we were together? Is that why you're here?
사실 그가 줄리엣을 찾은 것도 아직까지 이해할 수 없었던 엘리의 비밀을 알아내기 위한 것이었죠.
You're wondering if George had anything to do with why your wife
went out to clean.
And I'm gonna have to tell Judicial his death was an accident.
Why would you do that? He was murdered. The reason why George hid this.
Maybe if you'd listened to your wife, she'd still be alive right now.
Please, just help me.
I'll keep trying to find out what happened to George, but you have to stay quiet and you have to keep your head down. When I find something, I'll send word.
He asked me to wait, so I waited.
And you got no word, no sign. Maybe you should take a day, maybe do something, take your mind off it.
Maybe I should keep my mind on it. I didn't show the sheriff everything.
줄리엣은 모든 수수께끼의 조각이 될 수도 있는 조지가 찾았다는 것을 찾아보기로 결심하게 됩니다.
Jules, this is getting dangerous.
한편
I've got the judge's picks for sheriff.
I wish you said who should take the job.
He did.
보안관 만스는 이제서야 베커가 지목했던 후계자에 대해 말하게 되는데요.
Why did you wait until now to tell me?
Because it's ridiculous, and if anything, it's a sign he wasn't quite there. I, Holston Becker, nominate Juliet Nichols of Mechanical as my successor.
Juliet Nichols?
She's an engineer.
본인이 다하지 못한 수사를 할 수 있도록 베커가 남겨놓은 최후의 배려인 듯 보였죠.
Why her?
Like I say, he wasn't in his right mind at the end.
I want to meet her.
Are you sure?
I said meet her, not give her the job.
결국 찬스는 그녀를 직접 만나보기로 하는데
Seriously, what are you looking for?
If I find it, I'll let you know.
Tell me. Tell me.
Okay. I think it's a door.
조지가 찾으려 했던 것은 사실 밖으로 통하는 비밀의 문 같은 것이었습니다.
What do you mean a door?
An old drawing. It's at the end of a short tunnel. It's somewhere down at the bottom.
There's water. There's water down there.
I know that the water scares you.
Yeah, it scares me, George.
하지만 이미 그는 죽고 없었고 이제 이 비밀을 알고 있는 사람은 오직 줄리엣 뿐이었죠. 밧줄을 내리고 조심스레 아래로 내려가 보기로 하는데 그런데 헤드램프까지 떨어지고 최악의 상황에 봉착하고만 줄리엣. 그녀는 과연 조지가 찾아냈다는 사일로의 비밀들을 알아낼 수 있을까요? 지난 5월 5일 애플 TV 플러스에서 공개된 사일로 1, 2화의 내용이었는데요. 드라마 사일로는 베스트셀러 작가 휴 하우의 소설 우를 원작으로 하고 있는 SF 디스토피아 장르입니다. 거대한 지하 창고의 신비롭고 디테일한 묘사가 압도적이고요. 거대한 세계관을 담고 있는 탄탄한 스토리가 숨 쉴 틈 없는 몰입감을 더해주는 작품이었는데요. 공개와 동시에 큰 호평을 받고 있는 드라마로 모두 10회로 구성되어 있고요. 드라마 사일로는 지금 애플 TV 플러스에서 보실 수 있습니다.